Hi guys. So in the Philippines, it was raining because it was rainy day. So it was June today. So look at that. It's raining, but it's not heavy rain. It's just mild. It was so silent. I can't wait to sleep in this weather because it was so cold. So it can make you relax, calm. You can hear that? It seems to be stopping. Oh, please, come on. Okay, that is... Oh my gosh. That is not our vehicle. It was from our neighbor right there. So that is their house. It was tall. Okay. This is our neighborhood. So this is the grill, the gates of our house. Okay. This is our house. It's so small, We're not that rich people. Rich kid. This is inside. Remember guys, this is not a house tour. I'm just saying that it was raining here. See that? You can hear that? It sounds like it's stopping. Or it's getting louder. The clouds are gray and the skies are blue. I have no idea what's going on. So, bye bye guys. So I hope that you like, subscribe, and comment, and tap the bell notification, and share this video, and whatever else. So bye!